if you look at this on the 4-hour, we had pushed up, consolidated a bit in here, and then had another leg up. And then we pulled back, tested that previous consolidation, attempted a new high, pulled back, attempted another new high and failed, and then started to pull back. And this is where we were opening. Let me make this a little bit brighter so you can see it. So this dotted line, yes, it was a structure point, but if you look at this bigger picture, it's really just part of an internal consolidation. This low didn't lead to a new major high. And my overall logic was we had this push up, we tested the previous high, we attempted to make a new high once and failed, attempted a second time and failed. And so once I see that, for me, my logic is that we have a reasonable expectation that price may come down and test this lower portion of the range here at 62.83, 62.84, which is my overall price target for that particular move. With that in mind, if we notch down to the M30, and we can see going into the session, the M30 had made this high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then failed and broke structure here. Lower high, lower low, and of course this is now the cash session, so if we look at this on an M15, this comes down to form what would be the next lower high here. So the M30 and the M15 at this point have flipped bearish, and you can see on this M15 I have this rectangle drawn over all these wicks here from this previous swing low. So when this came down and closed below that area, I'm looking for a retest somewhere in that area to think about getting short. With all of this in mind, we look back at the 1-minute chart. We made this strong push down, closed below the trend line, and also back below this green rectangle where we had all those rejections on the M15. We had a little consolidation bar and then another strong push down. And that was really the signal for the trade. So I ended up just closing at the market at 86.25, which was at about 3.9 R multiple on that second half of the trade, which was right here.